see it because like last year it was cancelled, so and I couldn't see it last year, so I was excited to see it this year. One of the best places I've ever seen. Yeah, like the people are so amazing, generous, kind. It's a safe country, no issues anywhere. So yeah, really happy to be here again. I see because I've crossed the Shindور Pass before and it was like completely empty. And I see like a lot of infrastructure now and a lot of people. I didn't expect so many people in here. Yeah.
हम राबिर में इस्लामाबाद से आई हूँ, फर्स्ट टाइम हमारे यहाँ पे, लेकिन जितनी उम्मीद थी उम्मीद से ज़्यादा यहाँ पे एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। रश देख के, लोगों का जज्बा देख के बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर इस खेल को इतना ज़्यादा उजागर किया जा रहा है, इस खेल को इतना प्रमोट किया जा रहा है। सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे यहाँ पे जो लगी, यहाँ पे सिर्फ पाकिस्तान से लोग नहीं, फॉरेन कंट्री से भी मुझे यहाँ पे लोग दिखाई दे रहे हैं जो बड़ा एंजॉय करें, ब्लॉगिंग कर रहे हैं।
I see that it's the most beautiful country with the most beautiful people. That's more important for me because I like to talk with people, to know the culture, also the food, also the sports. Because I never been a match of polo because in Spain you don't play polo, only football in Spain. But it's very interesting, and also the passion of people, your supporters, is very, very nice. I'm so happy to be here. I am enjoying a lot in Pakistan, and I will come back, sure.
Thank you very much.
Oh.